Okay, so Black Ops 6 just got released and you are looking right now for your in-game stats for your last matches and your weapon stats. So that's easy in Black Ops 6. So first you want to go to your Barracks and click down on stats and then on the left side, or you can even click up here and then go to combat record. Then you can see your multiplayer stats as your total time played, your games played, average kills, average score per minute, and as you can see, your fantastic KD. I hope yours is a little bit higher than 1.08, and on the middle screen you have the last 10 recent matches. So click on this button and you can see your whole history, and even there you have stats like the score, eliminations, the deaths and the damage. Go back and on the top you can see your weapon stats. So click on it, and as you can see I have so far only played the XM4. Down here you can see the stats, my fantastic accuracy and the headshot rate, and up here you can go to equipment stats, field upgrades and the score streaks. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you also have the problem to level too slow in BO6, please click here to get a full loadout to level faster in Black Ops 6 multiplayer.